In today's video, I'm going to be discussing late night snacking and some healthier options that you can try without ruining your weight loss and health goals. In addition, some snacks that you don't have to feel guilty about eating. That's all coming right up. Hey guys, Chimere Trielle here. Welcome back to my channel. So I think quite a bit of us can agree that we've given into late night snacking at some point in time, causing unwanted weight gain, or you might live a lifestyle or have a schedule that doesn't allow you to eat your last meal at a decent time before bed. So here are 7 healthy options that you can try without ruining your health and weight loss goals. As a rule of thumb, before engaging in late night snacking, first drink a glass of water. What this does is determine if you are actually hungry or if your body is confusing hunger with thirst. And finally, try to keep your snacks under 200 calories. Eggs make for a great late night snack. They are high in protein, low in carbs, and one hard-boiled egg is only roughly about 80 calories. I will eat 2 at a time, so you're staying within that 200 calorie window with some amazing health benefits behind it. Low-fat Greek yogurt also makes for a great late night snack. You're getting that healthy fat, that protein, and that fiber, giving you that satiated feeling. What I like to do is take a cup of low-fat Greek yogurt, which is roughly about 60 calories. I'll add a tablespoon or a teaspoon or so of honey, organic raw honey, and then add a 1/4 cup of strawberries and mix that together. That leaves you with about a 100 calorie snack that is perfect for late night snacking. Tuna is very high in protein and very low calories. You're looking at about 80 calories in the small can of tuna, along with your whole wheat crackers. This is going to make for a very light snack, but very filling at the same time, full of protein, high in those complex carbs, which is going to help reduce cravings. If you are a nut eater, then assorted nuts is definitely a great snack for late night cravings. You're getting that healthy fat. You're looking at about 170 calories for a 1/4 cup of them, and it will definitely hold you over. Bananas are full of potassium, and if you're like me that typically craves more sweets than salt snacks, you're definitely going to love bananas. It's going to help you with that sweet tooth. The more ripe your banana is, the sweeter it's going to be. High in potassium, high in fiber, and only 100 calories, give or take. Popcorn is a great late night snack, and it's actually very low in calories. Where people go wrong with popcorn is the added butter and the added salt that the packaged popcorn already incorporates, and that's what really makes it unhealthy. Plain kernels popped are only about 30 calories per cup. So what I like to do is buy my own from the grocery store. What you'll do is pour some kernels into a cup. I like to do maybe a 1/4 cup or so, and you're going to place a plate over top of that bowl. Put those kernels into the microwave for about a minute or until you no longer hear the popping. Take that out of the microwave. Be very careful because it will be extremely hot. Then I will season those kernels with plain honey and add a sprinkle of sea salt. My advice is always to heat your own kernels and add your own flavor. That makes it a much healthier option for you. Apples will also help you with that sweet tooth and are full of fiber, so it's going to help with that satiation as well. I like to cut up apples into slices and dip them in peanut butter. Peanut butter that is natural and has little to no added sugar, so it's a lot healthier. It's going to give you that healthy fat, and it makes for a great late night snack. So these are a few of my late night snacks that I absolutely love, and some healthier options to engage in to avoid ruining any health or weight loss goals. If you are interested in more videos like this, then make sure that you subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so notifications can come straight to your phone. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.